Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hello YouTube, my name is Muhammad Uzair. You are watching YouTube channel Muhammad Uzair TV. We will start series of videos of calculus. The duration of each video will be 10 to 15 minutes long depending on the topic, that how much it need. We will start this first video with the question, what is calculus? Calculus is the branch of mathematics that deal with the properties of derivatives and integration of a function. So, to understand the calculus, we need to first understand the basics of what is derivative and what is integration. But to understand these both concepts, we need to understand first basics related to derivative and integration, such as what is line, what is limits, and so on. So line. A line is a straight one-dimensional figure having no thickness and extending up to infinity in both directions. For example, let's suppose we have this xy, this is x-axis, this is y-axis. So this will be the example of line extended up to infinity. So a line is a straight one-dimensional figure having no thickness and extended up to infinity in both directions. As we can see that there is no end at this side and there is no end point at this side. So this will be the example of a line. What is slope? A surface of which one end or side is at higher level than another. A surface of which one end or side is at higher level than another end is called slope. Let's suppose graphically we can write as this. So let's suppose this is surface. So this side is at higher level and this side is at lower level. So this will be the slope. So this is slope of this surface. This is a surface, so this will be the slope of this surface. To find the equation of line, let's suppose we have a line having 2 points, point A and B. Points of point A is, let's suppose, x1, y1, and point for B is, point B is x2 and y2. So let's suppose this is x-axis this is y-axis, so this will be x1, this will be x2, this will be y1, and this will be y2. So slope can be defined as rise divided by run. So this portion is rise and this is run. As we can see that in the y-axis we are rising up, we are rising, and in this direction we are running. So rise divided by run. So slope will be equal to delta y divided by delta x, where delta y will be equal to y2 minus y1, and where delta x will be equal to x2 minus x1. So we can write slope as y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. So this is formula for finding the slope. So we can write slope as m is equal to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. So this is the formula for finding the slope. If we have 2 points similarly like this, x1 y1, x2 y2, we can find the slope easily. So let's suppose we have 2 points. Find slope of points. Let's suppose a is equal to 1, 2, and second point b is minus 1, 4. So this will be, let's suppose this is first point, so we can write it as this is x1, this will be y1, the second will be x2, and this will be y2. So as we know that m is equal to y2 minus y1 whole divided by x2 minus x1. So this is y2, so 4 minus 2 whole divided by x2 is this, so minus 1, and this is 1, so minus 1 minus 1, you will get 4 minus 2 is 2, minus 1 and minus 1 is 2, minus 2. So this will cancel out with this, which will be equal to minus 1. So the slope is minus 1. Let's suppose you want to find the slope, but let this is x2, this is y2, and this is x1, this is y1. Now what will be the slope? So by putting values, as this is y2 now, so 2 y2 minus y1, so 2 minus 4 divided by 1 minus minus 1, so 1 minus minus 1 is 1, plus 1. So we will get minus 2 divided by 1, which is also, sorry, minus 2 divided by 2, 2 cancel out, so which is also equal to minus 1. So it doesn't matter if we select this first point and this second point, or this second point or this first point, the answer will be same, as you can see that. So now to find the equation of line, we already find that slope is equal to m is equal to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. Let's suppose one point is fixed. So let's suppose y2 is equal to y and x2 is equal to x. So putting values in the above equation, we will get m is equal to y minus y1 divided by x minus x1. Multiplying x minus x1 on both sides, we will get y minus y1 is equal to m x minus x1. So this is point slope from this is point equation of line. Point slope form. So in this video we learn about what is calculus, line, slope and equation of line. In the upcoming video we will do more examples on equation of line. If you like the video, please consider it for subscribing, and thanks for watching.